Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. We have some breaking news for you in Idaho versus Kohberger. This is case number CR 2431665, which had been pending before the Honorable Judge Stephen J. Hippler since the date of change of venue in this matter from Latah County to Ada County. We need to look at the case summary page to note that there was a document that has been noted by the clerk who maintains this case summary page and has maintained it since the beginning of the case, to provide notations of all filings, all briefings, motions, responses, replies, notices of hearing, when the case was closed, as we see here, the notation on July 23rd, 2025, the notation that there was a hearing scheduled to occur on July 28th, 2025. That was a sealed proceeding. That was canceled when Mr. Kohberger entered his guilty plea. Same with July 30th, 2025. That was a hearing that was vacated. Same on August 4th, 2025. There was supposed to be voir dire starting today. But look at what has just popped up. August 4th, 2025, court order regarding sealed documents. Now, we know that this is a public record which will appear at some time on the actual court docket itself. The way we know that is because there is a PDF icon next to this notation of an order entered today by Judge Hippler. Unfortunately, if you check the docket in Idaho versus Kohberger for case number CR 0124316665, this order has not yet hit the docket. The last thing that was docketed was back on July 23rd, 2025, the judgment of conviction, the order of commitment, and then there was on the very last page a notification to Mr. Kohberger of his appellate rights. So this court order has not hit the docket. Tomorrow it may pop up then. Sometimes it'll take a day, sometimes even two, when items were filed in the case and notated on the case summary page by the clerk before it would hit the public docket. It has to do with what we have been waiting for as the public. Some indication with what I have called the virtual Mount Everest of documents that have been sealed from the public. In this case, from the beginning, including discovery, which is the evidence in the case, we are going to continue to monitor the docket. And as soon as this court order hits the docket in Idaho versus Kohberger, we will let you know. I know many of our followers have been waiting to see when some of these documents would hit the docket. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.